Florida's new law that bans texting while driving comes into effect July 1st, 2019. It's very important because Florida has been named one of the worst states for distracted driving in the country. In fact, 1 in 4 car crashes occur because of texting while driving. And nationally, the National Safety Council has reported that 1.6 million crashes occur every year due to cell phone use. So the major change with this new law in the state of Florida is that texting while driving is now considered a primary traffic offense, meaning a police officer can pull a driver over if the police officer believes the driver was texting or instant messaging or emailing while driving. Before this law, it was considered a secondary offense. You could not be pulled over simply for texting while driving. If you were pulled over for another offense, such as running a red light or speeding, then you could be given a citation if you were also texting at the time. If a police officer does pull you over for texting while driving, they are not entitled to confiscate your phone or to search your phone without your permission. The new law that comes into effect July 1st does continue to allow for discovery of cell phone records in personal injury cases. Although a police officer cannot confiscate your phone or search your phone without your permission, if evidence arises that suggests the driver was using their cell phone at the time of the accident, then attorneys are able to seek those cell phone records through subpoenas in order to confirm use of the cell phone at the time of the crash. Whether or not this new law is going to form a basis to argue for punitive damages, which are damages just to punish conduct, remains to be seen, and that's going to be litigated across the state of Florida in the coming years. One of the things that we also find with cell phone use is in trucking crashes that may form the basis of additional claims of negligence against trucking companies because they have policies and procedures which are designed to prevent use of cell phone by their drivers while driving a commercial vehicle. And if cell phone use is involved in a car crash with a commercial vehicle, that may lend itself to additional claims against the trucking company. Yes, there are locking devices, and those are very important to utilize to prevent cell phone use while driving, and hands-free devices are helpful. But even with hands-free devices, a driver can still be distracted. So our recommendation is to put the phone away. If you have to make a call, if you have to make a text, pull over and do it in a safe manner. Unfortunately, every day, people still use their cell phone while driving, and as a result of those distractions, many crashes occur and people are injured. At KFB Law, we want to help those who have been injured in car crashes as a result of distracted drivers. For more information, contact us at kfblaw.com.